Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Waka Stret program. Me Matias Nokali, and today by me constructing wet area inside the one fala standard residential bathroom shower. And very important that you must use proper waterproof materials and tiling components. This time by me look at the materials and at the tools whereby you need him for wakalohem lo wet area. This one M6mm fibro sheet cement whereby you use him for internal lining inside lo bathroom blow you mean. This one compressed 20mm Viva board whereby you use him for putum lo floor blow bathroom whereby you wakalohem. Okatena waterproof components for sealing na wet area blow you mean. This one okat call him backing rod. Imisa use him for sealing na okat edges blow bathroom where you give him 5mm clearance inside lo hem. This one in fabric. Before you placing fabric inside lo wet area, by you use him na sealant blow hem. Sealant also paint where you apply him. You use him na brush for paint him na inside lo floor. This one silicone gun. By you use him na lo wet area edges. Okat tools where by you need him for wakalohem inside lo wet area. Tape measure, hammer, screw gun, level, line. Now you got him na everything you need him for starting waka. As you can see lo here. This one is wet area, bathroom blow you me, where him set up the timber frame, and then before I use him now 6mm fiber cement for internal lining. And then you look down the floor area, by you look him now exposed floor joist, whereby me place him now this one 20mm Viva board here for stop on top now lo floor joist there for him start him now wet area blow you me. Standard size blow floor lo bathroom hem 900 by 900. So design blow you me hem 920 by 920. Hem because me allow him na 5mm lo each joining for whereby me grout him na inside lo hem. By me take him now measurement blow surface area. Then by me take him measurement ya me transfer him go on top now lo this Viva board here before in between cutting and installment on top lo floor joist. Then by in between cutting blow Viva board, it's very important that you must place him water on top for reducing dust time you waka. Time you satisfy lo measurement and over the cutting blow you finally by me take him this whole material and you doing installation line. You must shift him now over end blow him for give him now 5mm clearance for allow preparation for him doing sealant lo wet area. By me pour him now hole for hold him down now this will Viva board in place. By me allow him 5mm to place him drill him here for him to seal him now after him screw him down. Next by me construct him now one flat barrier. The purpose of that barrier is for prevent him now water splash off time him swim inside the bathroom and contain him runoff for go out the proper outlet. By me make him now formwork blow this fella barrier and he must hold him in place so that time he pour him concrete inside him hold him firm. By you allow him 24 hours for allow him concrete for him cure before he have it remove na formwork. Then by me prepare him na surface area by me for apply him na waterproof sealant. First of all by me apply him na bone breaker rod. Purpose blow bone breaker rod na him for seal him na this like gap here. He seal him. He give him a place for silicone paste. Him have a hole lo him. By me apply him na silicone paste. Look at the floor. Load lo wet area and look at the corner lo walls. Same process where you apply him na look at edges and look at the corners here. By me apply him na lo floor waste blow you mean. After 24 hours, this fella silicone paste him dry. By me apply him na first coat lo waterproof membrane here. Look at the corners lo bottom lo wet area and look at the corners lo wall. After that one, by me apply him na fabric sealant. By me put him na this fella fabric sealant here. Corner look at the corners here so that him hold him in place na this fella place him open here. Then by me paint him over second coat corner lo this fella fabric sealant here. Final coat by me cover him na full wet area inside lo bathroom. This fella wet film gauge and part lo waterproofing kit here. Him come with him. And this one purposely him for gauge him na thickness blow this fella waterproof membrane here. Time me paint him, you must gauge him with him this fella wet film gauge here. Him must know over him na this fella small gauge stop here line inside here. hem must no ovam and hem must no less than, so that waterproofing sealant bloimi hem karem right thickness. After 24 hours hem dry, by me prepare him na area for floor tile.
Stay tuned for part 2 long this fall episode where Matthias by building one for a floor base and applying tiling for finish off long this fall wet area tutorial long Yumi.
Suppose you've been watching come over the videos below Waka Stret program and you interest more for learning more about them over the construction methods, you should have come down Losino Kukum campus for looking over the short courses available this time. You must have a catch up and learn it together, know how by you must have a dream Waka Stret.